Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. Today we're gonna do, or this vlog is going to have a bunch of things. Okay, so just sit back, enjoy, and if you're new, please subscribe. My name is Amy Tizet Ofiking and Amazon eBay, and this is my YouTube channel. All right, if you're new, subscribe. Welcome to another vlogtober. Excuse me, I'm thirsty. I have to drink water. Please like this video, you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment, subscribe, tap the bell so you get notified when I bring up new videos. So let's dive in. Okay, there's a lot that's gonna be happening here. Okay, we're going to go to the market, we're going to bake cookies. Okay, a lot of stuff, so go in there. Am I baking cookies in this vlog? I hope so. So yeah, just sit back and enjoy. Okay. Ooh, some sun-kissed moments, even though Lagos has ruined my skin. Hey guys, so this is I think 10:40. I have a meeting with Adiza. I have a meeting for 11 and I'm supposed to go all the way to Bagada. I think I'm late because I think that journey is supposed to be a lot, like a very long journey, but yeah, so I'm going out again. We outside, yeah. But I'm going to show you guys a quick outfit of the day. Look at how Lagos has ruined my skin. Lecky water, guys, look, see. Let's do a quick outfit of the day, you guys. So guys, that is my outfit of the day. I'm not playing with you, I'm not joking. Money won't want me, money won't want me. Knees like Megan. I don't think so, but let's get out there. Okay. I'm tired. So you guys, I just got back from my meeting with Adiza, and I have to tell you, Lagos boat drivers have a special, they all need therapy, and that's on period. I don't care what you think, but they all need therapy, period. Because what is this complexity? What is this thing? I can't deal. Meanwhile, hold up. Jamie delivered my dress. I cannot wait to unbox this. So this came from Jamie. You guys can check them out on Instagram. Inks by Jamie, tees by Jamie. That's the brand. So let's do a little unboxing. Okay, that's the dress. Okay, so if you don't know this fabric, I'm going to put a picture of where I styled this fabric, the way it was when it first came. I did the most with this fabric, and I'm going to miss actually styling this fabric because I had tons of ways I was supposed to slay this fabric, but I just thought, you know what, I don't have anything like this, so I'm just gonna make some, because you know I could wear it anywhere. I could wear it with a pair of sneakers. I could style it, you know, some way. So let's style this, shall we? Hey. So I decided to style this outfit like this with the belt. I'm going to take it out pretty soon so you can see what the dress looks like. It has this little frill ends, which I really love. because I wanted something short. Ooh, look at that. Something short that I could actually wear with a pair of sneakers, and so we good. Guys, I'm starving, so let me rest and chill. I'll see you guys later in the vlog. Mwah. All right, so I have lashes appointment with Lashed by V. I'm going to go get my semi-permanent lashes. I just hope that after this it works. You guys, I don't know how to fix lashes myself, and lashes just makes the makeup come together like all dope. I'm a mascara girl, but it wouldn't be bad to give it a shot. So let's go and get that done at the Nubia Nature Shrine. Hey guys, let's try another new recipe. Today we're making banana oat cookies. Okay, so I have my ripe bananas. See there, cut them into smaller pieces so it's easier to mash. If you have a potato masher, even better. And then add in your eggs. Okay, I added 2 eggs, whole eggs. If you don't do eggs, you could just use chia eggs if you could make those. Okay, and then I just mixed that all up together, and then I went straight into adding my oats. Now I just added the oat flour because I didn't have so much of the rolled oats, so you could, this is homemade oat flour, just blend your oats, that's all. And then you're going to add your rolled oats, old-fashioned rolled oats. Okay, just add as much as possible to get the consistency that you want, as many or as much as possible. Added honey for sweetener. You could add maple syrup if you have that, and then you just stir it into a nice consistency. Yeah, at this point feel free to add your peanuts, feel free to add your almond nuts, any kind of nuts that you want. I just add chocolate chunks, chocolate chips, add as many of those things as you want. Yeah, so I added that, and it was almost ready. Okay, so if you've not seen my other baking video, the one with the brownie, this is how I create an alternative to baking paper or parchment paper. I just apply butter all over the pan, then some flour to coat everything up so you have this white surface when you're done, and that would allow whatever you're trying to bake to come out really nice and smooth without sticking to the surface. Then I just took a spoonful, rolled my oats, and then I placed them onto the parchment paper as you'll see in the video, and then toss it right into the oven where things got a little dicey. Okay, so we moved into this apartment newly, and the oven came with the apartment, but guys, it turned out the oven actually wasn't working. We didn't know that because this was the first time of trying to use it. So I had to do the same parchment paper method with my plate, which is my dishware. Okay, and then I threw the whole thing into the microwave, and it came out really nice, you guys. It was chewy on the inside, soft and everything, and I'm just glad that this basically just took 15 minutes for all the 12 oats I had to bake. And yeah, so I got it done with the microwave either ways. guys, so I did my lashes. Guys, like I've scratched this eyes for, oh my god, I'm crazy, but it was so fine. I scratched this eyes, you guys, like crazy. But I just had to do this video because I want to end this vlog, okay? And this vlog has to go out today. So I want to end this vlog and I want to say thank you for sticking around, okay? There are other vlogs coming, so you guys just hang in there. But subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Leave a comment. Peace.